Alright, let's cut to the chase. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone, ready to catch up on your favorite series, maybe check some emails, or just doom scroll a little bit, let's be honest. But then, bam! No data. No connection. You look up, see the dreaded no service or emergency calls only plastered across your screen. Panic sets in. Did you forget to pay your bill? Is there a network outage? Or, worse, has your account been disconnected? And then, the question hits you like a ton of bricks. If it's a reconnection issue, how much is this going to cost me? Specifically, how much is the M1 reconnection fee? See, we've all been there. That sinking feeling when your digital lifeline is suddenly severed. It's not just about losing access to entertainment or social media, it's about losing communication, potentially missing important calls, and feeling completely disconnected from the world. And in Singapore, where M1 is a major player in the telecommunications scene, understanding their reconnection policies and fees is crucial. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the M1 reconnection fee, let's establish some context. Why do disconnections happen in the first place? Well, there are a few common culprits. The most frequent reason is, of course, unpaid bills. Life gets busy, we forget deadlines, and sometimes, those pesky bills slip through the cracks. Another reason could be a technical issue on M1's end, although this is less common. Sometimes, it might even be a security measure if there's suspected fraudulent activity on your account. Regardless of the reason, the immediate concern is getting your connection back up and running. And that's where the reconnection fee comes into play. It's essentially a charge levied by M1 to reinstate your services after a disconnection. Think of it as a penalty for the disruption caused by the disconnection, but also as a cost for the administrative work needed to reactivate your account. So, let's get down to brass tacks. How much is the M1 reconnection fee? The answer, as with many things in the telecommunications world, isn't always straightforward. It depends on a few factors. Firstly, the type of service you're subscribed to matters. Are we talking about a mobile plan, a broadband connection, or a fixed line? Each service category might have its own specific reconnection fee structure. Secondly, the reason for the disconnection plays a role. If it's due to unpaid bills, the fee might be different compared to a disconnection caused by a technical issue. In general, for mobile plans, the reconnection fee is often a fixed amount. This fee usually covers the administrative costs associated with reactivating your SIM card and restoring your mobile services. However, the exact amount can vary depending on the specific plan you're on and the duration of the disconnection. For broadband services, the reconnection fee might be slightly higher. This is because broadband disconnections often involve more complex technical procedures to restore the connection. It might require remote troubleshooting, network configuration adjustments, or even a technician visit in some cases. It's important to note that M1, like other telecommunications providers, may also have different reconnection policies for different customer segments. For example, business customers might have different terms and conditions compared to residential customers. Now, where can you find the most up-to-date and accurate information on M1's reconnection fees? The best place to start is M1's official website. Look for their terms and conditions, service guides, or FAQ sections. These resources usually contain detailed information about their fees and charges. You can also contact M1's customer service hotline or visit one of their retail stores. Their customer service representatives can provide you with personalized assistance and answer any specific questions you might have. Another crucial point to consider is how to avoid reconnection fees altogether. The most effective way is, of course, to pay your bills on time. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a deadline. If you're facing financial difficulties, contact M1's customer service team. They might be able to offer payment arrangements or other solutions to help you avoid disconnection. Furthermore, it's always a good idea to keep your contact information up to date with M1. This ensures that you receive timely notifications about your bills and any potential service disruptions. By staying informed and proactive, you can minimize the risk of disconnection and avoid unnecessary fees. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about reconnection fees. Some people believe that they can negotiate or waive the fee by complaining to customer service. While this might be possible in exceptional circumstances, it's generally not a reliable strategy. Reconnection fees are typically standardized and applied consistently to all customers. Another misconception is that reconnection fees are a hidden charge. In reality, telecommunications providers are required to disclose their fees and charges transparently. You can usually find this information in your service agreement or on their website. It's also worth noting that reconnection fees are not unique to M1. Other telecommunications providers in Singapore, such as Singtel and StarHub, also have their own reconnection policies and fees. So, if you're considering switching providers, be sure to compare their reconnection policies in addition to their monthly plan charges. In today's digital age, staying connected is more important than ever. Whether it's for work, education, or personal communication, a reliable internet and mobile connection is essential. Understanding the potential costs associated with disconnections, including reconnection fees, is crucial for managing your telecommunications expenses effectively. To summarize, the M1 reconnection fee varies depending on the type of service, the reason for disconnection, and your customer segment. The best way to find out the exact fee is to consult M1's official website or contact their customer service team. By paying your bills on time, keeping your contact information up to date, and understanding M1's reconnection policies, you can avoid unnecessary fees and ensure uninterrupted connectivity. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're connected. It's about the ability to stay in touch with loved ones, access important information, and navigate the digital world with confidence. So, before you find yourself staring at that no service message, take a moment to review your M1 account, check your bill due dates, and familiarize yourself with their reconnection policies. It might just save you a headache and a few dollars in the long run. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.